Khloe, I'm kind of bored. Do you want to paint? Okay. Khloe, look, let's show them what we're going to paint.
Got paper and scissors.
We're painting Paw Patrol. Paw Patrol. Let's invite your sisters. Okay. There's a little blue. A little blue for you. Oh, a little blue. And now we're going to get a little pink. Mm-hmm. Khloe, what are you going to paint?
Paw Patrol.
It's Paw Patrol?
Let's put on our aprons.
You don't want no pink?
If you want to be real to me. But I think it's black.
I want it.
Black.
Great.
Alright. Here you go, Khloe. A brush for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. There's a brush. There's a brush for you.
Hold on, princess.
Okay, let me get the pages.
Hey, where you going? Hey, where you going?
Oh, wait, don't flip your paint. Hey.
Let's see where she going. Where you going? Oh, you want to come here? Okay.
Can I want to paint now?
Yeah, you can paint.
You can paint, Khloe. Khloe, can I paint too? Oh boy.
Oh, wow. Uh-oh, you're about to spill your paint.
Paw is orange.
It's orange? What color is this dog?
Blue.
Blue, can I use some of your blue? Thanks. Khloe, I haven't painted since I was in school. You gotta stay inside the lines. That's wonderful. I know it's great, girls. Khloe, you wanna show how your painting looks?
There you go.
Oh, thanks. Thanks, I needed that.
There you go.
Oh, thank you.
Mommy.
Yes?
This is wonderful. Y'all are painting my painting. I don't even have to paint it. Y'all are doing it for me. Thanks, girls.
There you go. Dad.
Khloe, I like yours.
Chloe's never.
It says Pup Power. Yeah. Girls, y'all are doing great. Look at that painting, girls. This is beautiful. So many colors. And Khloe, yours looks amazing.
Which Paw Patrol is that?
It's Skye. No, it's not. Donkey.
Is that Chase?
Skye.
Yeah.
What a piggy. I got a piggy.
Say hi.
Hi.
Ooh, look at the masterpiece.
Mommy, my daddy. Rubble.
It's Rubble?
Daddy, it's Skye.
Hi.
That's amazing.
It's yellow.
Yeah?
It's yellow.
That's green. Okay. What is that, Khloe? It's a great painting.
Thanks for watching the paint. Be proud and share. See you next time. Thanks for watching.